Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in technology. Today, we have something really special for you. We're going to showcase 15 cool tools that will blow your mind. So, let's dive right in. Introducing the 3M Personal Protective Equipment Protector Rebel, the ultimate self-retracting lifeline designed to ensure your safety in any high-risk environment. With its exceptional features and rugged construction, this lifeline is built to withstand the toughest conditions. The Protector Rebel boasts a lightweight thermoplastic housing that not only offers durability but also keeps it easy to handle and carry. Its stackable housing design allows for convenient storage and transportation, making it an ideal choice for professionals on the go. Equipped with a 33-foot, 10-meter, galvanized steel cable lifeline, this lifeline provides you with ample room to maneuver while maintaining a secure connection. The swiveling self-locking snap hook with an impact indicator adds an extra layer of safety, alerting you in the event of a fall. With a maximum capacity of 420 pounds, 190 kilograms, the Protector Rebel ensures reliable protection for individuals working at heights. Whether you're in construction, maintenance, or any other industry requiring fall protection, this lifeline is your trusted companion. Introducing the Apex Forge Iron Laser Measurement Tool with Bluetooth, a compact and innovative device that brings precision and convenience to your measurement tasks. This laser tape measure features a sleek and minimalist design, with a matte texture that resists fingerprints, ensuring a clean and professional appearance. With its single-button design, the iRing offers a user-friendly and interactive experience. Its small size, weighing only 36 grams, makes it incredibly portable and ideal for one-handed measurements. It even won the prestigious Red Dot Design Award for its exceptional design and functionality. The iRing connects seamlessly to the MAXVIEW app via Bluetooth, unlocking a host of powerful features such as real-time data sharing, floor plan mapping, and easy data storage. You can switch between measurement units effortlessly, choosing between feet, meters, and inches to suit your preferences. Thanks to its Type-C rechargeable battery, you can conveniently charge the iRing using your existing charging cable for smartphones and other electronic devices. A full charge allows for up to 1,000 measurements. The high accuracy of the double laser transmitters ensures stable and precise measurements with an accuracy of plus or minus 1/16 inch, covering a distance range from 0.16 feet to 98 feet. The iRing features a low-power OLED display that provides clear visibility of measurement data, battery power, and Bluetooth connection status. Its patented OLED screen design ensures long-lasting battery life, allowing you to measure for extended periods without interruption. Introducing the Driver Back Bit Holder, the ultimate accessory for your impact driver that provides a convenient and secure solution for organizing your bits. Designed exclusively for impact drivers, this retractable magnetic bit holder is a must-have tool companion. With its innovative design, the driver back attaches to your impact driver without the need for glue, 3M adhesive, or screws. Its removable zip-tie closure allows for easy attachment and quick detachment whenever needed, ensuring hassle-free usage. The driver back bit holder offers a universal fit and is compatible with most popular impact driver brands such as DeWalt, Milwaukee, Hitachi, Metabo, Bosch, Ryobi, Craftsman, Flex, Hart, Black Plus Decker, and more. You can trust it to securely hold your bits in place, even during heavy-duty applications. Crafted from durable injection molded nylon, the driver back is built to withstand the daily abuse encountered on the job. Despite its sturdy construction, the system remains lightweight, with the combined weight of the base and 4-bit lanyards totaling under 3.5 ounces. The driver back bit holder comes complete with everything you need to get started. It includes one driver back base, 7 adjustable front straps for replaceable impact-rated bit lanyards, featuring No. 2 Phillips, No. 2 Square, T20 Torx, and T25 Torx bits, as well as 2 replaceable bare lanyards for use with your own branded impact torsion bits. Introducing the Calculated Industries Center Mark Drywall Recessed Lighting Cutout Magnetic Locator Tool, the ultimate solution for achieving perfect cutouts for recessed light fixtures in drywall. With this innovative tool, you can save time, eliminate measuring errors, and achieve professional results with ease. Designed to simplify the process, this tool utilizes powerful rare earth magnets to find each other through the sheetrock, eliminating the need for time-consuming and error-prone measurements. With Center Mark, you can complete your cutouts in half the time and with only half the lifting compared to other marking methods. No matter if you're a seasoned professional or a first-time drywall hanger, Center Mark ensures professional results every time. Its foolproof patented technology snaps into place, clearly indicating the exact center of the kin where the cut should be made. By using center mark, you can avoid costly and embarrassing measuring errors, saving you time, money, and the need for patches or repairs. This tool not only benefits you but also contributes to a greener environment by reducing waste from miscut drywall or paneling sheets. The center mark tool is compatible with 4-inch, 5, and 6 recessed non-LED can light fixtures. 2 magnetic targets are included, which can be easily screwed into the bulb sockets for precise alignment. Introducing the Ozark Titanium Oscillating Saw Blades Kit, a versatile set of 4 plunge-cutting multi-tool blades designed for various materials. These blades are perfect for cutting metal, wood, nails, and screws with precision. The flush cut feature allows for seamless and accurate cuts, while the universal quick-release design ensures compatibility with multiple tool models. With the Ozark Titanium Oscillating Saw Blades Kit, you'll have the right blades for the job, making your multi-tool even more versatile and efficient. Introducing the Lisle Stretch Belt Remover and Installer, the ultimate tool for both removing and installing stretch belts in various applications. This versatile tool combines convenience and efficiency, making belt maintenance a breeze. Featuring unique magnetic faces, the tool securely attaches to the pulley, ensuring stability during use. This eliminates the need for extra hands or additional tools to hold the tool in place. The compact one-piece design allows for easy maneuverability, and it can be used on either the front or back side of the pulley. This flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of stretch belt applications. Streamline your belt replacement process with the Lisle Stretch Belt Remover and Installer, and enjoy hassle-free maintenance without the need for complicated setups or multiple tools. Introducing the Airage Pro 10-inch Aviation Tin Snip Straight Cut, the perfect tool for cutting sheet metal with precision and ease. Crafted from high-quality CRMO chrome vanadium steel, these heavy-duty tin snips offer exceptional strength and toughness, ensuring long-lasting performance. The serrated blade design spreads cutting force evenly, preventing slippage and improving cutting quality. With a clearly marked scale on the blade, precise cuts according to work requirements are easily achieved. The tin snips feature a safety lock for convenient one-handed operation and a self-locking nut to prevent accidental injuries. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip for extended use, and the hanging holes allow for easy storage. With a wide cutting range, including cold-rolled steel, galvanized steel, and stainless steel, these tin snips are a reliable and efficient tool for all your cutting needs. Introducing the XCB Industrial Grade Unibit 3-pieces Step Drill Bit Set, a high-performance tool designed for drilling through various materials with precision and efficiency. These step drill bits feature a dual fluid design, delivering jam-free performance and up to 2 times faster hole times compared to the competition. With up to 4 times longer life and 50% more holes per battery charge, they are perfect for both large and small diameter holes in steel, plastic, and more. Constructed with high-speed steel and black oxide M2 material, these bits offer superior strength and wear resistance. The tapered design ensures accurate drilling, while the 1/4-inch impact shank provides a secure connection to your power tools. Built for durability, these industrial-grade step drill bits are suitable for professional tradespeople and DIY enthusiasts. Their versatile step design allows them to function as a uni-bit or step-down bit, providing convenience for various drilling needs. The spiral flute design with different steps enables smooth and efficient drilling across a range of thicknesses, eliminating the need for multiple bits. Introducing the Seacone Heat Gun 1800 Watt, a powerful and versatile tool for various applications. With its fast heating capability, this heat gun reaches temperatures up to 1202 degrees Fahrenheit, 650 degrees Celsius, in just 1.5 seconds, thanks to its 1800 watt power. It offers 2 temperature modes: first, 50-450 degrees Celsius with an airflow of 190 to 210 liters per minute, and second, 50 to 650 degrees Celsius with an airflow of 250 to 500 liters per minute. Unlike other heat guns, the Seacone heat gun provides variable temperature control through a black dial, allowing precise adjustment from 122 degrees Fahrenheit to 1202 degrees Fahrenheit. Additionally, it features overload protection to safeguard both the heat gun and circuit from damage. Designed with ergonomics in mind, this heat gun offers a comfortable handle to prevent repetitive strain injuries during extended use. Its wide range of applications includes shrinking heat shrink tubes, heating PVC, electronics, cell phone repairs, paint removal, floor tile removal, rusted bolt loosening, and more. The Seacone heat gun comes with 4 included nozzles for added versatility. The deflector nozzle directs a long, narrow heat pattern, while the 2 concentrator nozzles provide concentrated heat flow. The reflector nozzle evenly disperses heat across the work surface. Introducing the Aries Compact Panel and Trim Wedge Metal Pry Bar Tool Set, a versatile and durable set of pry bar tools. This compact set includes 2 pry bars designed for a wide range of uses. With their ultra-thin 23-gauge ends and solid steel construction, these tools provide both strength and precision. The pry bars feature a flat panel handle design that offers a comfortable grip during use. Originally popular in the aircraft industry, this design has become preferred in the automotive industry as well. Constructed from heavy-duty forged 4140 chrome molybdenum steel and finished with chrome plating, these pry bars are highly resistant to corrosion and more durable than plastic alternatives. The curved tip is precision machined for maximum strength and a unique low-profile design, allowing the pry bars to handle tough jobs while remaining slim enough to reach tight spaces. These compact pry bars are suitable for various applications. Their slim profile and 7-inch length make them ideal for precise work in automotive, fabrication, machining, home improvement, construction, and aviation. They can replace multiple trim tools and effortlessly remove trim, molding, fasteners, and more without damaging the underlying material. Introducing the T-Thia Handheld Stick Welder Kit, a compact and portable welding machine powered by IGBT digital inverter technology. Weighing only 3.3 pounds, this handheld arc welder is easy to use and perfect for home welding projects. Whether you're a novice or an experienced welder, this mini welder is designed to meet your needs. Safety is a top priority with the advanced IGBT inverter technology used in this welder. It is capable of welding various materials, including mild steel, stainless steel, and cast iron. The unique control mode of the IGBT power device enhances the reliability of the welding machine. Not only does this welding machine deliver powerful performance, but it is also energy efficient. It reduces the damage to copper and iron, increases the welding frequency, and provides remarkable energy-saving benefits. With features like digital intelligent thrust anti-stick, instant arc starting, non-stick welding rod, closed-loop feedback control, stable output voltage, and strong adaptability to the power grid, this welder ensures efficient and reliable welding operations. Introducing the WorkPro 12-inch Torpedo Level, a magnetic small leveler tool designed for various applications. This level features 4 bubbles, including a vertical bubble with mirrors that offer a vertical sight view and allow for easy readability from multiple angles. Durability is a key feature of this leveler tool, with shock-absorbing rubber end caps that can withstand heavy use. The aluminum body construction provides strength and durability, ensuring long-lasting performance. Practicality is enhanced by the V-groove bottom that fits the contour of curved workpieces, while the milled bottom increases friction for added stability. The level also includes hanging holes for easy reach and storage. Accuracy is a priority, as the level comes with 3 bubble vials and provides a maximum accuracy of 0.0005 inch per foot, 0.5 mm per m, ensuring precise measurements. Convenience is further improved with the magnified center block vial, which offers high visibility and magnifies the bubble for better reading. Introducing the Razor Blade Scraper Tool, a versatile tool for various scraping and cleaning tasks. This scraper comes with 40 pieces of metal and plastic blades, making it suitable for removing stickers, paint, decals, adhesive, labels, caulk, and more. The scraper is designed for multiple surfaces, including windows, cooktops, ovens, and stovetops. Its razor blade effectively removes stubborn residues without damaging the surface. With its ergonomic handle, this scraper provides a comfortable grip for precise control during scraping. The blades can be easily replaced when worn out, ensuring continuous functionality. Whether you need to clean glass surfaces or remove adhesive residues, the Razor Blade Scraper tool is a reliable choice for its versatility, durability, and ease of use. Introducing the Rubbermaid Reveal Cordless Battery Power Scrubber, the ultimate cleaning tool for efficient and effortless scrubbing. This power scrubber is designed to clean up to 2 times faster than manual scrubbing, saving you valuable time. With an oscillating head that scrubs at an impressive rate of 60 times per second, this power scrubber tackles tough cleaning tasks with ease. Its water-resistant design ensures durability, and the liquid-resistant assembly is built to withstand the demands of everyday cleaning. The scrubber offers 2 different settings, pulse and continuous scrubbing, allowing you to choose the mode that suits your cleaning needs. The ergonomic grip provides a soft and comfortable hold, making extended cleaning sessions a breeze. This power scrubber comes with 4 AA batteries, providing 6 volts of power right out of the box. Its versatile design makes it ideal for cleaning grout lines, corners, crevices, and tight spaces, giving you a thorough clean in hard-to-reach areas. Introducing the Jackson Safety Lightweight MAXVIEW Premium Face Shield with 370-speed dial ratcheting headgear, providing maximum protection and clear visibility for a safe and comfortable experience. This premium face shield offers full face coverage with an oversized window, safeguarding against splashes and flying debris. The integrated side and chin guards provide additional protection for enhanced safety. The clear, uncoated window ensures unobstructed and panoramic views, and it is replaceable for long-lasting use. Before using, simply remove the protective film on the window for a clear field of vision. With its oversized, fine-tooth ratcheting headgear knob, adjusting the fit is effortless, even while wearing gloves. The quick-fit rear swivel headband and pull-on closure guarantee a comfortable and secure fit. These face shields are compliant with ANSI Z87.1 and CSA Z94.3 standards, meeting and exceeding safety requirements. The shield's extended crown offers high coverage, providing optimal protection against hazards.